Hey, I want to give you a quick review on these induction pans by Kitchen Academy. If you've never used an induction stove, it is absolutely insane. We got one of these, but if you have one, you know the benefits. These are some of my my favorite pans I've actually ever used, and I'm 54 years old. They're very heavy duty, made of a really good material, and they're non-stick. They're super non-stick. But this one comes in, what is it? Is it a 12 piece? 12 pack, 12 piece. So you've got your deep ones right here, which I obviously either make typically soups and stuff in here. Quick eggs in this one. I eat a lot of eggs, so I put them in here. Got a little wok and some of the steamers I usually use for this or other things. But you have to see, and I'm going to demonstrate this because I want you to see how fast this stuff heats up. So I'm putting my hand on here like this, right? I'm going to put it on here. You might hear a noise. I don't know if it'll pick it up because I got the microphone. I'll probably have some music on here. But in seconds, so within seconds, so I'm going to put some water on here. This is water, just cold water. Put it in here. And I want you to see how fast these things can heat up with the water. So right there, you can kind of see it starting to bubble already. That was less than, what, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. It's already steaming. I don't know if you can see the steam. Look at that. So I'm obviously not going to touch that, but I don't know how it works. I'm not a scientist to the nth degree, but look at that. That was less than probably 30 seconds, and that just turned into a complete boil. So what's nice is you have the ability to use these pans to cook things quick, but what's nice is it's the way they're made, the steel rounder or whatever material that is, gives you a uniform heat, so it kind of does everything you need it to do. I absolutely love them. No stick. They clean up really easy, which is even better, that kind of thing. But if you're looking for some good ones, these are definitely the ones to get. You're absolutely going to love them.